Hi, Schoology is the website where your child is going to find all of their classes. How do you get to Schoology? If you are on a school computer, you will go to the My MNPS, and there is a link to Schoology right here. But there's also this thing called the Clever Portal. If you go to the Clever Portal, it will take you to all of the websites that you need. So you can click and log in with Office 365. It may ask you for your username and password, and you'll actually be sure to put at mnpsk12.org after your username. And then you'll type your password. And once you get to Clever, you'll have several choices of where to go. You'll see Schoology, all of your email, your Office 365. But if you go to Schoology, here are your classes, your courses, and when you click on your course, you can see all of the your activities for the week. And this is where you go to get to your class. It's called Synchronous Learning Meeting, and it will tell you you'll click on that to get to your class. So that is what you need to know about Schoology. Oh, let me say one more thing. If you don't have a MNPS laptop, you can also go to overtonlibrary.com and click on that and go to Student Resources. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see we have links to Office 365, Clever, Schoology, and Infinite Campus. Again, that's overtonlibrary.com, Student Resources.